Hey, I'm boreazx. I'm into Zippos. I'm gonna do a bunch of Zippo videos on my new channel. This is my new channel. And to start it off, I'm not gonna start with Zippo. I'm gonna start with something not familiar, but almost as dangerous. I'm gonna start out with balisongs. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a few tricks just to start off my channel. And I don't think about teaching anyone. If you leave in the comments that you really want to learn the tricks that I'm doing here, not other tricks, I might do other tricks if I continue, then I will continue with balisongs. But I'm gonna do a bunch of Zippo reviews, Zippo cleaning, the maintenance, and I'm gonna do tricks. But I'm waiting for I just got off Amazon. I'm waiting for my package to come. I'm buying a Zippo glue, a Zippo, and some gas. But I'm just waiting for that to come. It's gonna come tomorrow or 2 days after. So I'm just gonna start off with my battle song, and I'm gonna see where it goes. So these are just tricks that I kind of made up or I saw on the internet. They don't have names, or I don't remember their names. So if you really want to learn them, I could teach you. And that blade is sharp. It's not a new blade, it's not a new knife, but it's really sharp. And I'd rather not touch that blade, but and that's about all I know besides. And you can tell this is an old battle song because the guard keeps falling down. It's not a new guard. It's not a good battle song, but it works. And whatever works, works. So don't mess with it. If it works, don't try to fix it. And that's my first video for my new channel. It's a battle song. My battle song, I have no idea when it was dated. It has a camouflage finish on the outside. It's not a army blade, or like where you have the blade here and here. It's not a special blade. It says China. It's stainless steel and made in China. It's not something you can get everywhere. It's a really old blade. It's not mine. It's my dad's, actually. He gave it to me. But thanks, and